Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you what is the difference between var, let and const. In my previous video I had shown what is variable. If you haven't watched my previous video, just go to playlist and there you will find JavaScript tutorial beginner. So watch the first video, means previous one, and then watch this video. Okay, so now here you can see in my previous video I had defined variable. Okay, so now I will show you there is some other process to define a variable. So I will remove the earlier code, I mean whatever I had written for my previous video. Just I will keep this script tag because inside the script tag I have to write JavaScript code. Okay, so now here first of all I will show you the basic method to define a variable. So where a is the variable name, you can write any name instead of a. Variable name, it can be anything, but don't write variable name using space like this way, so you will get error. Okay, see, you can't use hyphen as well. Okay, but you can use this underscore. Okay, so name you can write anything, but there is some rules. Okay, you cannot use space, you cannot use hyphen, those. Okay, so now I will write the variable name is a, and here I will put on number 20. Variable is actually a container. Inside the variable I can keep some values. Instead of number you can put here any sentence word. Now I have added hello. Hello is the word, right? It is not a number. So you can put anything like in a container you can keep anything. Same way inside variable you can write number, you can write string, anything you can write. Okay, now I will write number. Okay, so now here just if I write console is for checking purpose. Okay, so console.log I will pass this variable. So what will be the output? The output will be 20 because in a, I mean in this a container I have I kept 20. So if I console a, so I will get 20. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment. I will try to explain. So I will open console. So how I open console? Just simply you have to right click. Okay, and after that here in the bottom you will get inspect option. Just you have to click that one, and after that you will get console tab. So in the console tab you will get the output. Output is a 20. You can see here. So here for defining a variable I have used var keyword, but here there is other two keyword, that is let and const. Okay, so here some other keyword also, just here I will write, that is let and const. Okay, and var also. So var I have shown. Okay, now I will show you let and const. Okay, so mainly I will show you the difference between those three. What is the difference? So instead of var I can write let here. Okay, so if I write let here, so I will get the same output. Same way I can write const here. Okay, I will get the same output here. Okay, so now then what is the difference? So let's see. So now first of all I will write var a. So a is the container. Okay, or you can say it a variable name. Now this a value initially I have defined 20. Now if I write a equals to 30, means initially I have defined 20, but means JavaScript execute. First you have to understand how JavaScript execute. JavaScript execute line by line like this or this way. So when it will get var a, so that time it will get the value is 20, but again it will read this line. So that time a I updated the value with 30. So here what I will get the output? I will get the output is 30 because I updated this value. So let's see I am getting the same or not. See, I am getting 30. But guys, here if I use let keyword instead of var, so let's see what I will get the output. So same output I am getting. So in this case var and let there is no difference, but same thing if I define using const keyword. See, I'm getting one error. Why I am getting error? Because const means constant, it is not a changeable. Okay, if you write a is 20 and now if you want to update this 130, so you will get error. Okay, because const means constant, it is not changeable. So this is the difference between var, let and const. This is one difference. In this case there is no difference between var and let, but the difference is there in const. Okay, so that is one difference. Now here I will show you the another thing. So here first of all, if I write here a, there is one JavaScript thing. So if I write here a is 20. Okay, now let's see what I will get. So I am getting 20, means actually here I can define var a. At the initially I can define only variable name, but I didn't say my JavaScript code like this is a variable. Okay, first I define one name and value, later I told like this is variable, so I added var and I'm getting the same output here. Now if I do it same for let, means at first I told the variable name only, but I didn't say this is a variable. The next line I am saying this is variable. So now let's see. See, I am getting error. So here is the difference between var and let. Okay, same thing I can try by const. So when I am writing like this way, so I am getting error here already. Okay, so no need to check, but I will show you. See, I am getting error. So here is the difference between var, let and const. Okay, this is another difference. Guys, if I am just assuming you are understanding, okay, but if you don't understand, then you can write in the comment section. So those are the difference. So now here one thing I want to clear, when I am just opening those in my browser, so that time browser doesn't understand let and const keyword. Okay, this is for our benefit purpose it introduced, but browser understand var only. Just remember this thing, browser means whatever browser you will open. Now I am using Chrome browser, but if you open your code, I mean if you open your page, this is index.html page, right? I have created index.html file and that I am opening here. But if you open here any other browser like Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, any other browser, so that time also it is same, like browser doesn't understand let and const keyword. There is one engine. Okay, in browser, every browser there is own engine, so that engine convert our code. Okay, and then browser understand. Okay, I hope it is clear. So when our JavaScript, actually every language convert into machine language. Okay, and then we can see the preview in browser. Okay, means if you are writing JavaScript code and you are thinking this code browser understanding, no, you are wrong. This code converted to machine language, so browser has own engine, so that engine convert those code in machine language, then browser can understand. So when it start to convert, like suppose if I write here let a equals to 20, so when it start to convert this code in machine language, so that time this let will be changed to var. Okay, then browser can understand, but if it doesn't change let to var, so browser won't understand this one. Okay, so now this is one thing. Now here let and const is a block level, so here I will show you I mean let and const is a block level. Okay, just I'm writing block level. So what is block level? Now see, if I write first of all var a equals to 20. Okay, actually first I will show you what is block level. Block level means when I wrote, suppose anyone, not me, if anyone write curly braces, and inside this curly braces whatever you will define that will be blocked. Means here this is curly braces. Okay, so these curly braces, inside this curly braces whatever you will define, and those I am writing this is for comment purpose, means those code browser will not render. Okay, so that's why I am writing this one. Okay, here, so those browser will not understand. So now here whatever you will write inside the curly braces that will be blocked. Means suppose if you define here one var a equals to 20. Okay, just understand what is block level, then I will show you the example. So if you define here var a equals to 20, and this a, if you want to console here console dot log a. Okay, means you are trying to console outside this curly braces. So that means you are trying to console outside this one. So here you will get error. Okay, because in this case you will not get error. Actually this is where, but if you add this late and const, so that time you will get error. Means if you add here late a20 and this a you want to console outside this curly braces, so you will get error because late and const block level means if you define late and const just inside the curly braces, that you cannot console, or I mean you cannot get outside the curly braces. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now see the example. So var a equals to 20. Now I will write one condition. Later I will explain it more what is condition, but now see I can check, right, like if a value 20 or not. Just here I have written a 20, but I can check using this way. If means everyone know what is the meaning of if. So if a here checking time we don't write single equals to. Okay, if I write single equals to means that means I'm just assigning a value. But if I write double equals to means it is equal to, like that. Okay, so I'm checking a equal to 20. Okay, so that time here I will define another variable. So variable name is b, and here I will write now string value. Done. So now here I will console dot log b. Now just guess what will be the output. So a value is 20, right? So when a value is 20, so here I am checking a equal to 20 or not. So obviously it is equal to 20 because I have written a is 20. So that time b is done. I mean I have created, if a equal to 20, then this b variable will create. And now I am just console this b variable. Let's see what will be the output. So I'm getting the output is done. But if a is 30, so I will get the output? No, right? Undefined, because here this condition is not matched because a is 30. So here I checked when a will be 20, so that time this b will be created, this b variable will be created. So now here this condition is not matched, so variable is not created, so I will get undefined. Okay, means b is not defined yet. Hope it is clear. So now here my main this is one thing, but my main motive is to show difference between late and const. So when I am creating a variable inside this block level, suppose now the condition is matched. So when I am creating this variable inside this block, see I told you inside curly braces means it is block. So here this is block, right? So in this block here I have created variable using var keyword, so that I can achieve here. But same thing if I create using late keyword, means if the condition is matched, so that time if I create using late keyword, so that time what I will get, see I am getting b is not defined because this is now it's a block only. Okay, so I can't console this this one outside of this curly braces. Okay, but if you console it inside this curly braces, then I can access. See, then I can access, but outside this curly braces I cannot access. But if I write here var, so that time I can access. So hope it is clear. So same thing if you use for const here, I mean if you use const here, so we can't access also. So const and let is the block level, we called it block level. Okay, means if we define a variable using const and let, so that time it can be accessed inside the block level only, not outside. Hope it is clear. So those are the difference between var, let and const. Hope guys it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, and if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video. If you like this video, then it will be reached to other person also, and also subscribe my channel to get more update.